Hello friend, in this lecture we will do the hands-on to demonstrate the nested unordered list element in HTML. So friend, let's start. We have explained this example in our previous lecture. Basically in the first label it will have 4 list items, that is drink, fruits, vegetables and car. And then under drink we will have one more unordered list element with the list item as tea and coffee. And then under coffee one more unordered listed element with list entry as black coffee, cold coffee and plain coffee. Then just after that plain coffee, we will be having one more unordered listed element with the entry as with sugar and without sugar. Basically when that code is getting rendered in the browser, we will get the output as shown here. The entire thing is got explained in our previous lecture. So here in this lecture, we will go into the HTML editor and write down this sample code and see the output in a real-time browser. So let's go into the HTML editor. Let's create an HTML file with the name as unordered nested list element demo. The first statement has to be the doc type declaration followed by HTML element followed by head element, inside which we will be having the title element. Let the title be unordered nested list element demo. Now within the body section, let me have an unordered list element inside which we will have 4 list items, that is drinks, fruits, vegetables and car. Now to have that, we have to enclose it with an opening list tag and a closing list tag. Let the first item be drinks, second list item be fruits, third list item be vegetables, and the fourth list item be cars. Now just after the listed element drinks, let me have one more unordered list element, and here let the entry be tea and coffee. Likewise, under the coffee list item, let me have one more unordered list element with the entry as black coffee, cold coffee and plain coffee. Then just after the plain coffee, one more unordered list, and here we will have the list item as with sugar and without sugar. Similarly, just after the fruit list item, let me have one more unordered list element with the entry as apple, banana and mango. Now after the vegetable list item, let me have one more unordered list element with the entry as cabbage and potato. And finally, after the list item called car, let me have one more unordered list element where we will have 2 entry called Audi and BMW. Now before we proceed further, let's save this and right click to open in default browser. Now when this code is rendered in the browser, we can see the output as shown here. Basically here drinks, fruits, vegetables and car are the first level unordered nested list element. Then under drinks we will be having tea, coffee, and under coffee we will have black coffee, cold coffee and plain coffee. And then under plain coffee we will have with sugar or without sugar. Likewise for fruits we will have apple, banana and mango, and for vegetables we will have cabbage and potato, and car will be Audi and BMW. Now if you notice here, in the first level unordered list element, the list item marker is of type disk, and in the second level the list item marker is of the type circle as it is shown here. And then in the third level item and all the next level items, we will have the list item marker as square as it is displayed here for the black coffee, cold coffee, plain coffee, and then with sugar and without sugar. In all these cases we will have the list item marker as square. So this will be the default list item marker, basically when we have not specified the list style type property. Now let's assume that we want to change the list item marker for cabbage and potato to square instead of circle, and for the Audi and BMW we don't want any list item marker. So do that, we have to specify the list style type property in the unordered list element which contain cabbage, potato and which contains Audi and BMW. Now let's go into the HTML editor and do the changes. So here in this unordered list element, we have to specify the style attribute property with the type as square. And likewise for the unordered list element which contain Audi and BMW, we have to set the style attribute with the list style type as none. So this is the only changes that we have done. Now save this and let's go into the browser and refresh the browser, and we can see the changes as shown here. That is, the list item marker for cabbage and potato is displayed as square, whereas for the item Audi and BMW there is no list item marker. That is, the list style type property is set to none. So this is how the unordered nested list element will be behaving. Means when we have not specified any list item marker, by default the first level will be of the type disk, the second level will be of the type circle, and the third level and its next level will have the list item marker as square. But in case we have specified any list style type property, in that case, whatever property we will be specifying, that same list item marker will get displayed in the browser. As for example, for cabbage and potato, we have specified it as square, so it is getting displayed as square, whereas for Audi and BMW, as we have set the list style type property to none, so we are not seeing any list item marker. So this is about the unordered nested list element in HTML. Thank you for watching.